Here we have the ACR1555U, which has the capability of connecting two devices with standard Bluetooth, but only when it's in HID mode. If you want it as a card reader writer, then you have to use a USB connection for it, or you have to write an app that connects to the Bluetooth device via the app. So assuming you're in HID mode on the reader, then basically you will, at the moment it's sort of off, so you've got no lights on it at all. If you press the power button for about 3 seconds, then you'll see some lights come on. Now, if you've got the blue light flashing, that means that it's in discovery mode, and you can sort of see it appearing here. If for any reason the blue light isn't flashing, you can press the mode button for about 3 seconds, and then that should get the blue light flashing. Now that we're in discovery mode, we can click on the device, and I can say that I want to connect, which it will connect. Now when it connects to the device, it's actually going to ask you for a pairing number, which is sort of not relevant for this reader. But if you say OK, you then need to go on and quickly press the mode button here for about 3 seconds. And that actually creates a connection and overrides the pairing. Once it's connected, like it is here, you should be able to use the reader. So if I go to something like Notes, and I put a NFC tag on the reader, you'll see that the UID is appearing and being captured and inputting, which basically means that the reader is connected by Bluetooth and the HID mode is working correctly.